What's up guys? All good? My name is Henry. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Elston Dossier before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Elston Dossier works. What is the Elston Dossier and who is it for? The Elston Dossier is a detailed book for those who love to dig into complex stories. It's perfect for journalists, researchers, and anyone who wants to understand the truth behind big events. It's packed with timelines, transcripts, and evidence to help you follow along. What does the package include and how large is the file? You get a 90+ page PDF that's easy to read on your computer or tablet. It's about 15 MB and has everything you need to dive into the story. You'll find timelines, transcripts, and evidence tables all in one place. How is the dossier structured to help research and verification? The dossier is set up to make research easy. It has numbered exhibits and cross-links to help you follow the story. You can also check the footnotes and transcripts to see where the information comes from. How are transcripts presented and how useful are they? The transcripts are clear and easy to follow. They have speaker guides and links to evidence tables and timelines. They are great for media and researchers, but always check the original transcripts for the full story. What verification steps should a purchaser take? Check the claims by looking at the primary sources mentioned in the dossier. This includes committee transcripts and official minutes. If it talks about regulated entities, make sure to check their status with the regulators. How are updates handled and what does lifetime updates mean? You'll get free updates for life, sent straight to your email. These updates will include new information and corrections. Keep all the emails and save each version for your records. How is the dossier delivered and what payment method is used? You can download it right away after you buy it through ClickBank. It's a one-time payment, and ClickBank makes sure your transaction is safe. But always double-check the information in the dossier yourself. Is there a physical copy available? No, the dossier is only available digitally. You can print it out yourself on A4 paper, but you'll need a computer or tablet to do so. What are the main strengths of the Elston Dossier? The dossier is great because it's easy to read and has lots of useful information. It's well organized and has lifetime updates, making it a valuable tool for anyone researching complex topics. What are the main limitations or downsides? The main downsides are that it's only digital and you need a device to read it. There might be marketing pressure to buy it quickly, and not all primary documents might be included. Always verify the information yourself. How should I treat the dossier's claims about regulated organizations or financial activity? Always verify claims about regulated organizations or financial activity. Check the regulator's website for updates and changes. This ensures the information is accurate and up to date. Is the price justified and who gets the most value? At $99, the dossier might be worth it for professionals who use it often. Hobbyists should think about whether the extra formatting and links are worth it. Compare it to public records you can access yourself. How do I confirm I'm downloading an official copy? Buy it from the official website and use the ClickBank checkout link. Save your order confirmation emails and download receipts. Avoid sharing files on unauthorized sites and keep your downloads safe. What technical setup do I need to use the PDF effectively? Use a modern PDF reader on a desktop or tablet to keep the A4 layout. You'll need a printer for high-quality prints. The file size is small, so it's easy to store and share. How should researchers integrate the dossier into their workflows? Use the dossier as a reference by citing exhibit IDs and following timeline links. Keep the dossier and original records together. Make sure to save backups so you can track changes over time. What red flags should buyers watch for? Be cautious of urgent or limited time offers, lack of direct links to sources, and claims about regulated entities without clear evidence. These signs suggest you should do more research. If the dossier cites parliamentary or committee testimony, how can I check accuracy? Find the original session by date, committee name, and witness list in the dossier. Then, download the official transcript or minutes from the archive. Compare speaker IDs, timestamps, and quotes to ensure accuracy.